How to remove saved account on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your saved account on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove saved account on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and open up Instagram, and then let's say that your account password is saved by the Instagram app. So first of all, you want to tap the three lines icon here, go to settings, and then just go to the option called security, which you see. Once you tap on security, go to saved login information here, and then you simply want to make sure to turn this off. So it could be on, so you want to make sure to turn it off. Now when you've turned it off, you want to try to log out. So tap the three lines icon, tap the option called settings again, scroll down, and then select the option called logout. Now it'll ask you to log out, tap on it. It'll ask you whether or not you want to save it, so you might as well want to not save it. Now let's say that I just tap on this secondary account, and then I tap on settings again, and again I also log out of this account as well. So once I log out of all those accounts, you can see there are two accounts in my Instagram app, and the password for these accounts are also saved. And to remove this saved account, what I have to do is instead I have to tap the little settings or the gear icon from the top right hand side. So tap on it. When you tap on it, over here you'll find the profile, so you want to make sure to tap the little profile here, and then tap the option called remove profile, and the saved account is going to be removed respectively. This is simply how you can remove saved account on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.